Hey guys, Charlie from Tin Man Metalworks here. We are going to make a couple of these. I have had them running for about a month now, and they are selling extremely well. So I thought I would slide them on over to you guys. Now I'll show you how I sold these and the ads that I ran, as well as I'm going to give you professionally designed headlines and professionally written product descriptions, as well as my top 3 email marketing sequences. Now, I tested 7 of these, and I'm going to give you the top 3 that I got, so you can run those yourself in your own campaigns and make yourself a pile of money just like I did off of these. Extremely popular. Let's just go over and grab our file. It'll be in the YouTube certified SVG cut files. Now these are pre-made ones, different professions, different trades. This is going to be the blank one, and I've made it pretty idiot proof for you. So just go over and grab this file. I'm just going to zoom in here with my plus key. Now this is pretty idiot proof. Now all you got to do here is just double click this in the text box, just delete it. Say, and we can just put in here whatever we want. So you're just going to type out your text, then you're going to go over here and grab your selection tool, this little arrow up here. Now you can see it's a little off center, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold shift and highlight this and the blue circle. Double click the blue circle right there, and you're going to bring up these little arrows, and you can rotate this until the box looks pretty square on your end letters. And once you have it where you want it, we're just going to deselect everything. You can come down here, select just your text, go to path, go to object to path, deselect everything, just select that blue circle, delete it, and there it is. Now you're going to select this and center it. Now depending on how long whatever you're putting in there is, when you got it where you want it, just select your text, hold shift, select the black portion of this, come up here to path, and go difference. Boom, there you go. Now that file is cuttable. You got the top plate, you got the backing plate there. Now I've been selling these at 24 inches wide for $200, and they've been pretty much flying off the shelf. Kind of sick of making them, to be honest with you. So I thought I would slide them on over to you guys, let you guys make some money. Now let's go over to the table and cut some of these out. Now I have pre-made ones in here for you: welder, plumber, metal fabricator, mechanic. Mechanic was probably the top seller for sure. Diesel mechanic, certified electrician, plasma, CNC operator, attorney. The attorney ones have sold pretty good too. But anyway, let's go over to the table, cut some of these out, and then I'll show you how I finished them, and then I'll get you your headlines, your sales copy, and your email marketing sequences, along with some product photos and product videos. Now take these and throw them up on your Facebook, your Instagram, use the headlines, use the email sequences, build you some sales funnels, knock it out of the park. Let me know what you make on these.
Dex made this.
Hey, so I've left the free file in the file description, and you can go ahead and grab the email sequences, the ads copy, and grab the free product photos and go to town, man. Post them on your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is you guys use. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.